5 days ago, MoodMate was just an idea in my head, but today I have fully functional mood tracking app with streak tracking, calendar history, analytics, and the crazy part? AI wrote 95% of the code. I'm not talking about simple tutorial, this is real app, real functionality, real test, ready for the App Store. Today I'm showing you exactly how I did it, what AI tools I've used, and why AI is a game changer for any side project. I'm Simon, full-time developer, and this is day 5 of my 30 days MVP challenge. But we need to talk about what happened during these first 5 days, because this is completely not what I expected. It all started on Sunday, where I spent 4 hours on planning and market research. From Monday till Friday I spent 12 hours of actual development. The result? A mood tracking app which is actually ready for beta testing. Let me show you what we've built. So first version I will show you. It's a MoodMate after 1 day of working with AI. Let's deep dive into how MoodMate looked before the rework. So on top we see the top bar where we can see dates like last 7 days, where we will see locked mood. Then we can see below that message that mood was locked today already, because in the first version you could lock mood only one per day. That was the major change comparing to the new version. Below that we can see basic statics about our mood journey. So what is the trend, what time and what tip it gives us, but it's a static value right now. So then on the history page we also see this top bar with last 7 days. Here is of course mock data or no data in this case. Below that we can see how this week looks in the statistics, and below that we can see calendar. Below the calendar we can see recent entries to see what was the last mood we locked. Next page is an insight where we can choose from this week, this month, this year. Here we can see monthly summary, some mood distribution and patterns and trends. Here it's still only a mockup with no actual data. Okay, so new version of MoodMate. As you can see at the first glance, couple stuff changed. So the main view is completely different. At the top we have like instruction how to lock mood. On the main view we can see our progress, so we are motivated to keep pushing, keep going. Here we have 11 days streak. We see that the next milestone is 14 days, so we can see the progress and everything. Below that we can see last 3 days of our mood journey, so you can see my 2 entries from yesterday, my 4 entries from 2 days before that, with what mood I actually locked, what tags I've added. Right now tags are predefined, and of course my description of it. And everywhere we can see lock mood button. And here also some quick insights. We will go to the main insights in a moment. So I'm opening the app, I want to just lock my mood. I'm clicking lock mood and I'm choosing how I'm feeling today. Let's say I'm feeling good because I'm creating this video. And I can choose here quick lock, so just quickly lock my mood and just be done for today. Or I can add details. Let's go to the step 2. How was your day? My day is great, feeling positive. Sorry for delay, it's from keyboard to the Android emulator itself. Yeah, like you see. Feeling great today. So this is 5 mood system, not just happy sad, but with a proper scale. We have 15 emotion tags. We can select up to 5 which describes our emotions today. So let's say I'm confident, I'm happy, and I'm excited. And I can choose when I want to lock this mood. By default it's today, so it's like time right now. but I can change it with just a simple calendar and time view. I want to keep it like it is and log my mood. As you can see, my mood is logged, my streak is increased, and I see my mood journey with my newest log. Yeah, here we can click view all. On this view we are on history view, so it's a calendar view. In calendar we have heat map with our moods. If this is one mood, then we can see only like the emoji. If it's more than one mood, till 3 we see how many by the dots, and if it's 4 and more, we have tag how many moods is logged that day, and we have quick calendar guide, so what was our mood on this day. Let's see, yesterday when we click it, we see all the logged moods. Exactly for each day it works the same. Below that we have monthly mood overview, so we can see how many times what mood was logged. Here I can see issue that, for example, log mood is hiding great part of this insight, so we should add some spacing, for example, here. Going back to home, we also have this insight part. We can click view more, and here we have like average mood, what is our trend right now, and what is most common mood we done this month. Also I see another issue, because in this month grade is 10 times here and 4 times here for September, so I need to investigate where is the proper data, but as you can see, it's a work in progress, so issue happens. These insight parts have only patterns and top tags with more information. I still need to work on that. But after a couple of days, 12 hours of actual developing with AI, of course, I can say that it's not possible without AI right now to write such thing in 10 hours, at least not for me. So it's a great achievement, and I'm happy to work on this app more and more. So it's all started with ChatGPT for the big picture, target audience, core problems, feature ideas. Then Claude for detail planning, user personas, technical architecture, feature order. But here is where it gets interesting. 95% of the code you saw, written by Claude Code. On this project, I'm working as an operator, not a developer. I'm telling AI what feature to build, then I test and guide. But let's be honest, AI makes mistakes, a lot of them. The key here is to have structured testing and clear feedback. When something breaks, I don't debug it. I describe exactly what happened versus what should happen. The AI do all the fixes. But you need technical knowledge to guide AI properly. This isn't replacing developer. This is making us work 10 times faster. Let's talk about technical decisions. I've chosen Flutter plus Hive, and I'm thinking about Supabase. Why Flutter? Cross-platform with excellent support for Android and iOS. One codebase, 2 native apps. Why Hive? It's great local storage and is widely praised in Flutter community. Why Supabase? Maybe. I want something which will work out of the box with all the extra features like authentication. But honestly, right now, local first approach works really great, so I'm skipping this in my MVP. So what I've learned during this first week of my MVP? Always plan first. AI without any direction as random features. This is really important when you're working with AI, to ask them for the planning of the feature before implementing. Test everything manually. AI can't feel user experience. You need to click and see how it works for you, for the user, for the person. Keep detailed docs. When AI lose context, you lose hours to explain everything from the start. You can ask AI to code and document this code on each step of the work. Technical knowledge matters, you're the pilot, AI is the autopilot in this team. What is in MVP? Everything you saw. Mood logging, analytics, calendar, insights. This is the phase 1. So what about phase 2? I'm planning to add voice notes, photos, extra insights and AI-powered prompts for journaling. Phase 3. Maybe Cloud Sync, maybe some integration with Apple Health, I don't know. Probably also some reports for the therapist. We'll see. What about monetization? I'm thinking about freemium approach. For free, you will get 30 days history, some basic insights, and access to every core feature, of course. For the premium part, which will be $5 per month, you will get full insights, full calendar history, and cloud backup. So where are we right now? Week 1st of the 4 of the Planet MVP, and we are ahead of the schedule. The core is solid. I have working mood tracking system, analytics, insights, some gamification. We are on the good path. But there is still a lot of work to do. User onboarding, personalization, cloud sync, AI features, a lot of work, and I will work on it for the next 3 weeks before we will release this app to the App Store. So here is 2 questions for you. First one, what is stopping you from starting your side project? Time, technical knowledge? Let me know. Maybe I will be able to give you a guide what you can do to chase your own dreams. Second, do you want to try MoodMate? Check out the description, there will be a link where you can drop your email and I will let you know when MoodMate will be ready for you and for your testing. I will be grateful for any feedback. So, next week, a lot of manual testing, a lot of new features to add, and I will show you the progress, the failures, everything on next video. Stay tuned and subscribe to not miss it out.